Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to yet another class of general knowledge. Now, today we are going to learn about bones and muscles. Let us see. Now, this is Ria and he is her father. One day, Ria goes to the hospital with his father. There, she finds a boy standing before the X-ray machine. Now, this is the X-ray machine, and she sees something inside the body of the boy. Can you guess what these are? These are bone. We call them bones. It is inside our body and very important. Each and all of us have bones inside our body. Now this is a bony framework. Okay? ठीक है? This is a bony framework and it is called skeleton. 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 Okay? Each and every one of us have these inside our body. Now, there is difference between the number of bones in the body of a child and an adult. A newborn baby, जो सबसे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, they have 350 bones. So many, right? And an adult, that is your father or your mother, when you grow up, you will be having only 206 bones. ठीक है? Now, let us see some of the facts about bone. Bone, there are three kinds of bone. One is long bones. Now the long bones, they are found in your arms and your legs. The second type is short bones, छोटे bones. Now these are found in your ankle, as you can see here, and your wrist, that is this part, okay? And we have flat bones. Now the flat bones, they are found in the rib cage. Now the rib cage is the portion of your chest. If you feel your chest, you can feel something very strong, and that is your rib cage and your shoulders. ठीक है? यहाँ पे आपको flat bones मिलेंगे. Now children, this is your ear. Why I am showing your ear? Now the ear, there are three parts in an ear. One is the outer part, जो आपको दिखाई देता है. Then we have the middle ear and then the inner ear. Now in the middle ear, we have the smallest bone. Okay, so the smallest bone is present in your middle ear. And the thigh portion, it also has bones. This red colored, it is the bone inside your thigh, and that is the longest bone. And the name of this longest bone is femur. F-E-M-U-R, femur. Now children, as you can see, this is your knee, okay? आप भी ऐसे करते हो ना, पैर ऊपर नीचे उठाते हो, as you can see. Now you are able to do this, you are actually moving your bone because two bones are connected. यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए हैं दो bones, right? And this is called joint. Okay, now there are many joints in your body, in your bones. Okay, now if we hurt our bone, कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना, आप गिर जाते हो, तो देर मेनी अ टाइम्स योर बोन गेट्स हर्ट, टूट जाती हैं हड्डियां. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, हियर एज यू कैन सी इन हिज हैंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ fracture. 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 Now, I had told you that flat bone, we have the rib cage. If you feel your chest and if you press near your chest, you can feel something very hard, and that is your rib cage. Now, the rib cage is very important because it protects your lung and heart. Okay, so remember this. Now children, skeleton is the basic framework, है ना? Then the skeleton, then it is covered with muscles, ठीक है? And after that we have the skin. Skin आपके muscles के ऊपर आ जाती है. Okay, as you can see here. Now these are called muscles. muscles. Now there are many types of muscles. Let us learn about something about muscles. What do the muscles do? It helps us move every part of our body. It helps us walk, smile and wink. With your eyes, आँख मारते हो ना? That is winking. And that also you do with the help of your muscles. But muscles को control कौन करता है? Let me tell you, your brain. The brain controls all our muscles and makes them work. And how many muscles are there in your body? There are more than 600 muscles. We don't know the exact count. Okay? Now, children, there is a question. What can be the smallest muscle and the biggest muscle? I am not going to tell you the name of the muscle, but I can tell you where you find it. कहाँ आपको मिलेगा? Now the smallest muscle is found in the ear. Okay? And the biggest muscle, it is found in the buttocks. As you can see, the buttocks, okay, your bottom. Now, there is a very interesting fact about your tongue. Your tongue is also a muscle, but it has 8 different kind of muscles. Okay, आपके tongue में you have 8 different kinds of muscles. Very interesting, right? Now, children, this is your heart, है ना? दुक 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 करते रहता है. Now the heart, it also has a special type of muscle, and that is called cardiac muscles. CARDIAC, cardiac muscles. Now, as you can see, this is your arm. ओके, जब आप किसी को अपनी बॉडी दिखा रहे होते हो, सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर एक्चुअली फ्लेक्सिंग योर बाइसेप्स. ये जो ऊपर का मसल है ना, दैट इज योर बाइसेप्स. एक्सक्यूज मी. नाउ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट मसल्स, वेयर कैन यू फाइंड इट? यू कैन फाइंड इट, देखो इसने हाथ पकड़ा हुआ है, दैट इज योर जॉ एरिया. In your jaw. So you have the strongest muscles there. Now children, there are 2 kids here. Now she is smiling, very happy, and he is sad. Now why I am showing you this? Because when you are happy, you use only 17 muscles. And when you are sad, you use 43 muscles. So it is very important that you stay happy so that you will use less muscles. Okay? Now children, sometimes we get pain कभी कभार ऐसा होता है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा मम्मा ने काम कर लिया, मम्मा बोलती है कमर बहुत दर्द, तो मम्मा बोलती है बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, कमर में दर्द हो रहा है, हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है. वाई? बिकॉज शी इज हैविंग अ पेन इन हर मसल्स बिकॉज ऑफ more work, and that is called sprain. Okay, sprain, sprain. Now children, today you have learned many interesting things about bones and muscles. You can share this information with your parents. You can tell them what you have learned today. Until then, take care of yourselves, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.